Welcome back to the Graham Stephan Show. My name is Graham and welcome to my show. Now, here's a bit of a background that maybe you knew about me, maybe you didn't. About almost 2 years ago now, I was in this video from Jubilee. It's titled Millionaires versus Minimum Wage. Did you earn your money? That was a fantastic episode. I had so much fun filming with Jubilee. But after that, they came out with this, how should I say, interesting episode. It's titled 6 Minimum Wage Workers versus 1 Secret Millionaire. Odd one out. So I felt like this would be a great video to watch from the perspective of a millionaire and just see what they say. And then I'm going to break it down, I'll critique them, I'll talk some smack about the people who are on there. It's going to be a fun episode. I love Jubilee episodes. They're so interesting to watch. But with that said, before we start, I got to ask you a quick favor here. Just to make sure to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's start the episode here.
Asian American males make the highest median average.
Ah, man. Okay, so here's the thing with this episode immediately. I know who the millionaire is. I've been around YouTube. I watch so many videos on YouTube. I already know. I'm not going to spoil it for you, though. How's that? So if you don't know who it is, right off the bat, I'm not going to say anything. We'll continue.
We brought together 7 minimum wage workers. 1 is a liar. If the group discovers who the liar is, they'll split a cash prize. If the liar survives, he or she wins the entire prize.
Imagine if it's the millionaire that wins all the money. That would be the ultimate twist.
I live in Orange County. Rent is, it's hard. It's hard, but I'm hanging there.
Which city?
The bad side.
The bad side. Is there a bad side of Orange County? For those that don't know, Orange County is like a beautiful place. It's actually kind of like saying, I live in the bad side of Beverly Hills.
I live with my parents also, so 0 rent, and I live downtown.
Main focus when I get my paycheck, Poke Bowl and my rent.
Poke Bowl? Why are you making minimum wage getting Poke Bowl? Poke Bowls are not necessarily, I mean, they're delicious, don't get me wrong, but I wouldn't be spending like $12 to $15 for like a little Poke Bowl snack. You know what? You got to do the Dave Ramsey method of lentils and ramen. Keep eating that, save all the money, invest it. And then eventually you'll have more money. That's it.
How old are you?
I'm 23 too.
I'm 43.
This guy is 43? He fooled me. This guy's got the genetics of a Greek god. 43 years old. He could easily pass for like anywhere from 28 to 33.
And you still live with your parents?
Yeah, because I'm 20,000 in debt. It's just an opportunity to try. It's hard. I'm a Uber driver and I have a van, and like I got the van because I thought I'd be able to make more money. But instead, I'm paying so much in gas, I wish I would have got a Prius.
Yeah, you know what? There's a reason why all the Uber drivers drive Priuses. It's just because they're affordable, they don't break down, they're fantastic on gas, they're really cheap to insure. But this guy's doing the right thing. Honestly, live with your parents. If you're in debt, you may as well do that. As long as you have a good relationship with your parents, it's a fantastic way to save money. I agree with him.
I feel like you're trying really hard to make it sound like you're broke.
No, I'm not broke. I'm 20,000 in debt, so I'm...
That's like the same thing though.
Ah, wait. Being in debt is not necessarily broke. You could be in debt, but also be making bank. Just depends what the debt is.
What do you do for work?
Me, I'm an art consultant.
An art consultant?
Yeah, so
Where?
I sell artwork at a different hotel.
Oh, that's big money, big fella.
Okay,
That sounds like bread.
but no, artists and art dealers are not rich at all unless they're like one of the top ones.
Yeah, it's the same thing with real estate agents out there. Like if you look at the average real estate salary, it's really like $30,000 to $35,000 a year. But the few agents out there that do really well make big money. I'm talking anywhere from like $200,000 a year to like $2 million a year. So it's 20% of the agents really make up like 80-90% of the commissions out there.
How much per month would you say you get in commissions?
I've only sold 2 pieces my entire 4 years there.
How much did you get for them?
The piece I sold was like $2,000.
You said you sold 2 pieces and you've been there for how long?
4 years.
2 pieces over 4 years. Maybe he's just got to realize, like, hey, you know what? It might not be for me. Gave it a shot. Maybe I do this on the side. Listen, I mean, at some point, if what you're doing isn't working, you might have to change it up.
Do you shave your legs?
Nah, I don't.
You don't shave your legs? When I saw the basketball shorts and the unshaved leg, I was like, okay, that's one of the signs.
That's one of the signs of what? What's that a sign? I've never heard of a sign where if you're male, you wear shorts and you shave your legs. That is an indication of what, money? Never heard of that before.
He just seemed kind of sus, so like, get him out.
This guy just talked too much. I've noticed in these episodes, if you stand out, if you put your neck out too much, you're instantaneously just taken out because then it seems like you're overcompensating for something.
How about this? I feel like everybody has this when they're a kid. Like, what would you do if you were a millionaire? Like, what's the first thing you do?
I would, well, honestly, like invest it into like businesses to get more money. I have a
No, when you get $1 million, what you want to do is just invest it. Invest it all. Buy some real estate. Buy some index funds. You know, you want to get yourself some more passive income outside of a business like that, so you have something a little bit more stable.
You majoring in the internet or what?
I'm majoring in my online classes, which is accounting.
Where do your parents live?
My parents live in Eugene.
Oregon.
Yeah.
Didn't you say you live with them?
Well, they lived in Eugene and then they moved to Los Angeles.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's changing stories. These guys are fast.
You said, where are my parents from?
No, where do they live?
Oh, they live in LA.
Like West Side, East Side?
No, they live downtown. Where do your parents live?
You live in an apartment with your parents?
I am, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you're judging me for living with my parents?
Oh, he's getting defensive now. That's not good. That's not good. He's got to be on his feet a little bit more on this one. Wow, that was fast. He's bad. He's bad at this.
She's an influencer.
She's a
You have to be.
businesswoman.
For you're an entrepreneur trying to do a boutique. You have to be an influencer.
I feel like going about looks in this game isn't really going to get you far. If I'm being honest, that's not my strategy. If that's how you want to pinpoint people, that's totally fine.
Yeah, I agree. Looks aren't going to matter, clothes are not going to matter in this. I've seen some of these episodes where they try to throw you off by walking in with like designer clothing and whatnot. There is no accurate way to tell. Look at me, I got my H&M t-shirt. It's like a $3 t-shirt that I've literally worn for years. Wait a sec, I've worn this shirt so long. This is actually the shirt I wore in my first Jubilee episode, like 2 years ago. Still wearing this shirt today. As long as it fits, I'll wear it.
What's the most expensive?
Someone
thing?
ask him
Oh.
a question. I can't. What do you like to do? What are your
Look,
hobbies?
you asked me
What are your
whatever-
hobbies?
What did your parents do?
Yeah, where do your parents
So
live?
my mom didn't work, but my
Okay.
dad worked in construction for, I'm gonna say 30 years.
Your dad just worked? Would you say you had a pretty good childhood?
Yeah.
I was just like, okay, I have to vote him out just to get him out of the way because he was starting to look suspicious to me.
See, again, he's standing out too much. If you talk too much in this, you're out.
You said you have your own business online.
Yeah, I just started it like at the end of July. I kind of wish I didn't mention my business. Like I said, I just started it 2 months ago.
Yeah, people immediately hear business, you're like, yeah, you're making money. Online business right now, yeah, you better be making bank. You just started a few months ago, I don't care, you're making 100 grand already. So, and now, listen, online businesses, especially what she's doing like that, difficult.
So how much do you make?
I made, well, okay, I made so far maybe like not even that much, like 700.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Do you have a YouTube channel?
How many followers on Instagram?
Just like 1,000.
I know
1,000 Instagram followers equals $signs.
Yeah, here's a plug. Go and add me on Instagram. How about that? Go and add me on Instagram. It's right there. Jack's gonna put it up on the screen here. I post stories pretty much every day, so if you wanna see what I'm doing behind the scenes, posted a picture the other day of the backyard. It's almost done. The reef tank is going in pretty soon, so if you guys wanna see it, actually this upcoming weekend it's gonna be filled with water. Just go and add me on Instagram. You'll be able to see the new aquarium. I'm so excited for that.
Wait, how many do you have?
1,200.
How much does
Any
your
of you
business
could be
account have?
lying.
I just started
I have
with
200.
700.
Yeah, they're not gonna get anywhere on followers. I mean, that's an easy lie. Anyone can say, I have 500, and just like stick with that.
Yeah, I had to vote for somebody.
I knew it.
I'm sorry. At the beginning, like I didn't really suspect him, but if we're gonna vote someone out right now, it's him.
Yeah,
it's like it's you. I'm
The fact that you're trying to point fingers makes me think that it's you.
I don't
well,
think
what else are we supposed to do? Like I have to pick out someone.
Can they just not vote anyone out and say like, hey, listen, we got this person out. Let's just split the money. Can they not do that?
I say we go 50-50. Bye. Sorry.
Do you guys have health insurance?
It's through my mom.
Yeah.
That's a weird.
Do you have health insurance? Yeah? All right. What provider? What's your premium? Yeah? The bronze plan? What's included in that?
I don't even know what. I just have like the cheapest insurance out there. Unfortunately, it's so bad that I'm choosing to pay out of pocket for a lot of things because going through the insurance company, the healthcare here, is terrible. I pay out of pocket for it just so I don't have to deal with it. It's a good problem to have, but it's terrible here.
If the lights turn green, you voted the liar out. If the lights turn red, the liar is still in the box and you lose.
I knew it.
Okay.
I knew it. I was confident.
If the mole can reveal themselves now.
I knew it.
Yeah, that's it. Listen, I didn't want to say anything, but yeah, I knew it was Kevin David from the very beginning. You could tell by the haircut. It's a clean haircut, and you know when someone has the haircut with like the line down the middle of it, like in the front like that. That's a millionaire. Only millionaires, usually in the online business, usually, besides Ryan Pineda. Ryan Pineda has like the slickest hair, I think, of anyone on YouTube. I don't know how, he has like the best hairline I have ever seen. My hairline just recedes when it's around his because it's just intimidated by it. But yeah, anytime you get a line down this, was it this side? I don't know. You get a line down the center, millionaire for sure.
You know, once I started my YouTube channel and then things really started to like kind of take off, you know, things changed for me monetarily, but I'm still the same dude. Like I still wear these shirts. I still wear these, you know, dirty Nike shorts every day, like 7 days a week. And I still wear flip-flops like 99% of the time. Like nothing's changed besides, you know, some random numbers in my bank.
You know, it's funny. A lot of people don't know this about Kevin David. He's on this new reality TV show right now with, listen, I don't know how much of it is staged. It seems really staged to me, but with this kind of, I think it's his girlfriend, fiance, Katie. Yeah, it's the series on Lifetime. It's called Marrying Millions. I kid you not. It's one of these shows that somebody sent me, and I started watching it, and first of all, I wanted to pull my eyes out. I literally just wanted to rip them out because I'm like, I can't unsee this anymore. But it's so cringy that it makes it kind of want to keep watching. It's so bad that it's kind of good. What did I just say? I don't know. I wanted to pull my eyes out when I first saw this. It's interesting. It's called Marrying Millions, and basically the whole show is about Kevin marrying, I think, his girlfriend or fiance, Katie, with the suspicion that maybe Katie wants his money, but she's saying she doesn't. But I don't know. It's kind of like a cringy mess for anybody. I don't know why I told you that, but now you know.
Hey! Woo!
Oh, I bet they tell them to do that. There's no way that they're sitting there being like, hey, should we throw the money around? There's no way. The producers told them to do that.
Literally threw that on me.
Congratulations on catching them all.
All right, so there we go. We finished the episode. I gotta say, these Jubilee episodes are so much fun to watch. I enjoy it. And the moral of the story is this, is that you can't tell if someone's a millionaire based on the clothes they wear or how they dress or like anything like this. That is not an indication whatsoever. Instead, the biggest indication is whether or not they lie about living with their parents. That's it. Moral of the story, there you go. That's what you walk away with today. And also that you can watch Marrying Millions with Kevin David and fiance Katie. If you want to pull your eyes out, feel free. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to destroy the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. Posts are pretty much daily, so if you want to be a part of it there, feel free to add me there, as in the podcast, The Iced Coffee Hour. New episodes being posted every single Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.